Hi, today on Porotitos TV, it's my birthday. So what I've done is bought a present for the kids. This is the Transformers Rescue Bot combo. And when they see this, they're just going to be so happy. So we're going to open it for you. I'll go get them. Aha! What do you think about that, huh?
I see this.
You like it, Jose? Here,
It's little.
show it to the audience. Here.
Where is it?
Okay.
Where is it?
This
Can it transform
Your scissors?
into a dinosaur?
No. They transform into their vehicles. Look, here in the back.
Only vehicles?
Yes, that's right. They look just like the ones on the TV show. See?
No. Chase doesn't look like the Chase. Chase is fatter.
Chase is fatter in the toy than in the
Can I see?
TV show.
And Heat Wave.
And Heatwave? Okay, guys, here. Sit down in your chairs and we'll unbox them. Okay, I can just use this scissor here. But Santi, if you want to find your Catboy scissors, you can find them too. Cannot find it? Okay, that's fine. Okay, so you guys...
Oh wait, did we show them what? Did we show them this?
Yes. That's our
Oh,
big...
yeah, but we have to show them the new ones that we got.
Oh, you want to show all the new, the newest, what are those called? Rescue Bot? Speed something? Speed Racers?
Speed set.
Rescue Bot Speed Racers. Speed Champions?
So see, get the other two, okay? Look at this.
Okay.
Oh, that's not one though. Sandy, get the other two. Look, I got Heat Wave and Boulder White in my hands. Look.
Heatwave and Boulder
Yeah.
Speed Champions.
And then when they transform, look. Look, this is Optimus. No, you have to show them closer. They can't see from that far. This is to lead off all the rescue bots. We will chase them at least for look food. This is, he can transfer into quick. Santi, show them the back of Chase, please. Who there? Show the who there. Okay, say there.
Okay, so do you guys decide already who's going to get which one?
I want Heat Wave and Boulder, please.
Okay. And Santi, you get Chase and
You wanted those two?
Blades?
For
Okay,
real,
well,
Santi?
here's the first one. Here's Chase. Why don't you see if you can figure out how to transform him?
Wait, look, guys, look. Hey, I did it already.
Oh, really? Wait, what about his siren? It looks like his siren is still up. Or is it like a spoiler? Oh, there you go.
Okay.
Wow, that looks looking good. Okay, Heatwave is next. Okay. Let me get it for you, Jose.
I'm going to figure it out really quickly, I think.
Yeah, you're going to figure it out really quickly?
I think yes. Okay, give me.
Give it a try.
Okay, guys, look at. You only have to do this. Look, look, and then. Guys,
Oh, well, here, go
look
show
at
the
this.
audience.
Maybe I could transform it. Look at this. Guys, look. Guys, look at this.
Mhm.
There's a quicker way to do it that way. There only had to be one move in these little ones. Like this one. Look. Let's. Guys, look at this. Follow walk and then I'm going to make a portion. Can I put that down on the ground to see them like this?
No, not yet. We'll do it after, okay?
Is my blade helicopter then?
Yes, we're going to do Blade Helicopter. No, let me take out this part still. It's not done yet. Okay, there. And there. Okay. Why don't you give it a try?
Look at this, and then you flies. Bulldog!
I'm Boulder.
Hi, I'm Bulldog.
Let's see.
No, it's tape. Look.
It still has some tape wrapping?
Yeah.
Okay, some plastic cable. Okay. Yeah.
Guys, I know how to transform Bulldog thing.
You do it. You can break it. Let's see. You know how to transform Boulder already? Show Santi.
Look at this, guys. Wait, I need his head out. Okay, guys, look. Squeeze his hand, right? And then he just squeeze his feet too. And you see those little lines? They're make them. So you squeeze them in the one. Guys, look! Guys, look!
Ah, that's all you do, huh?
Yeah, mine is two easy ones. Wait, could I see his face? It doesn't look like the others. Wait, kiss me. Wait, how do you transform them again? That's everybody.
Yes. Those are the 4 Rescue Bot friends.
But there's some more, so you better watch the movie. Transform. Okay.
Here, let me put the camera down so you guys can show the audience. Okay, there you go.
He's fine. Daddy, can you be Blades?
Can I be Blades?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like Blades. He's a helicopter, right? Okay, put them all here so that you can
Out of control in the Bulldog Clash. You'll remain in the law of the building.
Okay, let's try over here.
Please come out. Sorry, I was over there. Well, but, yeah. Robots, transform. Here it goes. Daddy, fly him.
Make him fly? Okay.
1, 2, ready, go! I think is the transformer. Wait, I could be the camera person.
No camera persons. Okay, guys, let's say goodbye. We can go play with our
now,
toys now.
that was a short movie.
Yeah, it was a short movie.
Bye! And you notice he could bear his wings, look.
Oh, you can put away his wings like that?
Bent his wings. Did you put the video off?
No. Say goodbye.
Bye. Subscribe and put link to this channel. Subscribe.
And say happy birthday to your dad.
Wait. Does this look the same? Subscribe it. No, I gotta show you something. Tell me if it is the same. Does this look the same? Put a link in the channel. And then does this look the same? And then I got. No, we don't have a helicopter. No, I got the Optimus.
So you are
Wait, one more. Let's go to.
you're asking the viewers if these look the same? Well,
Oh, this is Tortilla. Does this look the same? Does these look like the same? Tell me in the comments.
in the comments, I see.
If this is tell me if this is the same. Looks the same. Wait. Now we're going to play with them. Yeah! Can I see this?
Is that his leg or his arm?
His feet. Who's playing with my feet?
Okay, there. Put here. Put the robot next to the robot so we can see.
Bye.